Alright guys, welcome to Key Concept 3. We'll be starting our unit on circles, right? So this whole unit is all about circles. So first, our first vocabulary word is what is a circle? And a circle is simply a geometric figure created from points located the same distance from a given point, which is the center. Right? So our center is always kind of our starting point of a circle. We have always to find our center. And then every point on our circle is right some distance away. Right? So this is our distance away. If I'm saying a point is on my circle, it's somewhere on here. Okay, that's my circle. This part is inside my circle. Okay, so don't get confused by that. On your circle means on the actual line that's drawn there. Then we have what we call the standard form of an equation. So we have the equation x minus h squared plus y minus k squared equals r squared. R is our radius. Okay. We looked at this a little bit today in class. And then hk is our center. So let's look at a few examples with this. So example 1. Determine the equation of a circle with a center of 1, negative 2, and a radius of 4. Then graph it. So center 1, negative 2, radius of 4. So again, my standard form of a circle is x minus h squared plus y minus k squared equals r squared. This is another one of those things you will not be given on the test. You do have to memorize what the equation of the circle is. So then remember, h and k comes from your center. You just switch the signs. So that's x is 1, so minus 1 squared. And then y has a negative 2, so I'm going to switch the signs. Y plus 2 squared equals 4 squared. And then make sure you square that. X minus 1 squared plus y plus 2 squared, and 4 squared is 6. So when I graph this circle, always graph your center first. I go over 1, down 2. So there's my center. And then to draw the actual circle, right, we use the radius. We use the radius of 4. So we're going to start at this point and go 4 units in up, down, left, and right, all our main directions. Right, so 4 units right, 4 units up, 4 units left, and 4 units down. Connect those points. I don't know So I should be able to kind of see that you know that those points are 4 units away from that center. All right, looking at example 2, same type of thing. I'm graphing the circle x plus 4 squared plus y minus 1 squared equals 9. All right, the same type of thing, but opposite. Okay, so my center comes from what's with x and what's with y. Remember to switch the sign. The sign always flips. So my center here is actually negative 4 and positive 1. And then for your radius, remember this number is r squared. So r squared equals 9, so r equals 3. And then I need to graph it, right? So negative 4, 1. the 4, 1 is there. And then to actually draw my circle, I'm just going to go 3 in each direction. Like that. My circles aren't the greatest on this board. Alright, looking at our next example, right, determine the equation that matches the graph. So same type of thing for this one, we want to find our center and our radius. Okay. So for our center, again, it's kind of the center of our circle. If you kind of look what splits the circle in half in both directions. And down that line, and then across this line. Right, and that this here is our center. And that point is at -2, -4. For our radius, alright, how far out do we go? We go 1, 2, 3. So our radius here is 3. So then if if I'm writing the equation, right, again, remember, it's x minus h squared plus y minus k squared equals r squared. Your h and your k split, right? Your center flips sign. X plus 2 squared plus y plus 4 squared equals 3 squared. So I have x plus 2 squared plus y plus 4 squared equals 9. Alright, for number 4, write an equation for the translation of x squared plus y squared equals 9 by 4 units left and 3 units up. Well, if I look at x squared plus y squared equals 9, my center for this one is 0, 0. If nothing's being added or subtracted to it, it's just 0, 0. And my radius, right, is going to be 3, right, coming from that 9. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to draw this graph. Right, so I start at 0, 0, and I go 3 in every direction. Right? And I'm just going to lightly sketch in where that circle is. Because that's not the actual circle I want, right? I want one that's been moved up 4 and over 3. Right, sorry, not up 4. Left 4, up 3. So I'm going to start my center. I'm going to go left 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, up 3, 1, 2, 3. Right? So that's my new center of this new circle. My radius, however, stays the same because it didn't shrink or get bigger. It's still the same size. So 1, 2, 3. So for this new circle, my center right, negative 4, positive 3, and my radius is still 3. So now I'm going to do the same thing. I'm just going to write that equation, right, of the form x minus h squared plus y minus k squared equals r squared. And I get x really plus 4 squared because the sign changes plus y minus 3 squared equals, and 3 squared is 9. Alright, that's all it is for our first day of writing equations of circles. I will see you guys tomorrow.